Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, I picked up a new Husiway accessory kit for my GoPro Hero 10. Purchased this off Amazon. It was $69.99 plus tax. Let's get this unboxed and see what's inside. Alright, so you have your waterproof housing for your camera. You have your mount, you can put this on glass or whatnot. This is for mounting your GoPro on in case you drop it in the water, it will float. These are your lenses. A lot of times people will use these if you're going underwater for clarity. They go right on here. You have your wrist mount. You have a small tripod. Nice thing about this one, these are the ones that you can actually put on things to hold your GoPro. You have your strap for your head for mounting your GoPro on. You have your chest mount for mounting your GoPro. Goes around your shoulders and your chest. You have another small one. You have your, most people call these selfie stick. Nice thing about this, it actually feels like it's well made. It's nice and heavy. Again, your wrist strap. Comes with glass that you can put on your GoPro to protect it, almost like putting your screen protector on your phone. Comes with your rubber protector. It goes around your GoPro. I will be putting this on. And again, you can see how many little brackets and clips in here for mounting your GoPro in different angles. This one I'll be using a lot is your handlebar mount for your GoPro. So the reason why I got this is when you buy your GoPro, a lot of times you'll just get your batteries, your charger, and your GoPro. And you don't have all these little brackets and adapters to mount your GoPro on different things. So for $70 plus tax seems a little bit high, but if you start pricing these things piece by piece, you'll pay a fortune for them. Again, this here is going to come in handy. I'm sure this will save the GoPro over the years. Nice rubber silicone. That's a white cloth for cleaning your screens. Comes with a ton of adhesives. These will actually go on the back of these to mount this to a surface. One thing I like, they actually include a strap that will go on your silicone protector for your GoPro. It's a nice feature. And that's a floating sponge. It will actually mount to the back of your waterproof housing. That way if you drop this in, it will float. Has a little clip for mounting your GoPro onto. So again, all these items you see here, I will be using in my future videos on the YouTube channel. Again, it's nice to get them all at one time. That way you have everything you need. Plus it comes with a really nice case. It's nice and sturdy for putting all these items in. So in the details below, I'll leave a list of all the items that are included in this, but for the price you pay, I would say it's a good deal. And like always, if you have any questions or comments, make sure you post below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up. It certainly helps the channel. Again, these are tools I'll be using in the upcoming videos on the Poverty Point Customs YouTube channel. Really appreciate you watching. Take care.